Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Hoya and Me channel. Today we are making anjero or Somali pancake, and I've got cornmeal here, and I've put a cup in there, salt and sugar, and I've got warm water, a cup of warm water and yeast. I've put all the ingredients here and mixed. We have made the mixture. We have to wait for 30 minutes. And we are making the anjera now. I've got 2 cups self-raising flour and 2 cups atta flour. I've got 4 cups mixture of milk and water, and those are the cup I used for my measurement. I've got 2 tablespoons sugar and half teaspoon salt. I've got the mixture of the cornmeal I made earlier. That's got some little salt and sugar as well. We are now mixing the ingredients. I'll add the sugar and the salt first. Or the cornmeal. And then the milk. We are mixing the anjero. You make sure you mix it properly. Our anjero mixture is ready. I've put the anjero mixture in different bowl so that I can cover for 30 minutes. We are making the Somali pancake or the anjero. Our dough is ready. We'll go and finish and come back.